it's, you know, it's something that a lot of guys go through, but a lot of guys don't talk about how it feels for them, which I think should be talked about more. It says a few things. It says, like, you know, this, you're getting older, A. B, you're just not you're not like, especially because I'm 30, so it's like, you know, that it starts to happen when you get to that age. But this started happening when I was 25, and when you're 25, it's like, I'm not ready for this yet. I'm not ready to be that guy that's on minoxidil or finasteride or anything, like getting a hair transplant. You're just like, there's just this like deep-seated embarrassment. Every guy knows that it's probably gonna happen in their life, but you're kind of in denial. You're like, nah, it's not gonna happen to me. And when it starts to happen, you're like, yeah, it's not happening to me, until you're sitting in a chair at a hair transplant or restoration place, and you're finally like, okay, it's happening to me.